Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing some softness in the international market. US market has also seen some corrections yesterday, and Asian market are seeing some weakness. Yesterday also we said that the dollar index is showing the other way around, the different trend, and we feel that that is now having its impact on the market. The dollar index has further increased today by almost 35 basis points. So this is likely, this is having its impact on the international market, specifically in the emerging market. Even the commodities are also seeing some softness. The iron ore and steel both are down by around 1.5%. Copper is also down by around 1.5% from the equity market end yesterday in India. And oil is more of a flattish. Aluminum is down by around 0.5%. So across the board, we are seeing some softness and profit booking. So quite possible that we may see similar things in today's trade. But what we see that though short term we may see some softness, but the outlook continue to remain positive. So any good decline can be a good buying opportunity. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we mentioned that Nifty trading within the range, and that range comes 24,500 at downside and upside 24,850. Yesterday we saw that Nifty struggled to sustain the 24,600 and trading below that important range. And today we expect gap down. If Nifty break the opener 24,500 below and first 20 minutes trading below this range, then we expect further sell off towards 24,440 for intraday, and below that 24,370, 24,300 next immediate downside level for Nifty, and upside 24,600 for intraday is the first immediate resistance, and then we expect further rally towards 24,700. So today we expect gap down open, and if trading below the 24,500 first 20 minutes, then we expect this selling pressure to be increased towards 24,370. Bank Nifty also trading near the support zone, that is 53,000. Yesterday we already mentioned that range. If Bank Nifty break this important range, 53,000, then we expect further sell off towards to a 52 to 52,740, and below that 52,300 next immediate range for Bank Nifty. Upside first immediate resistance place around 53,740. The both index trading the important near the important support zone. If the both index break this range, and this support, then we expect this pressure to be increasing. The view are is cautious below this important range. Stock specific, Oro Pharma, Cipla looks weak. Oro right now break the important upward trend line and trade below that important trend line. So we expect some pressure to be continue in Oro also and Cipla also. HDFC Life also looks weak weekly chart, and we expect this pressure to be continued towards 600 and 590 at downside. Upside 638 is first immediate resistance for HDFC Life. Positive side, we expect CDSL continue their uptrend, and we expect this momentum to be continuing an upside. In IT sector, SCL Techs also looks positive at current level. TCS also given a good rally yesterday, and we expect this rally to be continued towards 4500 and above range. But downside majorly support place around 4370 and 4340 at in TCS. So IT looks positive at current level also, but overall banking and Oro, pharma and FMCG looks weak at current level. That's it for technical derivative I can say.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning again. So on the derivatives front, as we have witnessed that in yesterday's session, from the opening time, we have seen that the market was in the selling zone. The only support which we have witnessed in yesterday's session majorly was from the IT pack, while from the index front, Nifty and Bank Nifty front was continuously into some profit booking scenario or some into negative trend. As per the OI portion, also we are seeing that still the portion is on the range bound momentum, range bound zone, because on the downside we are seeing that at 24, 400 and 500 striker put at positions are still holding strongly, and on the upside 24,700 and 800 call at positions are holding strongly for the next week of series. So if we consider current positioning wise as per the OI position, the range is 24,400 to 24,800 mark. Till the time this range is not getting broken out, till that point of time we might witness some fluctuations in the market between these 400 points. So once this range gets broken out, then on the downside, directly the switch of positions come near 24,000 mark, and on the upside about 24,800 level, directly 25,000 to 25,200 level will be witnessed. So as per current scenario, hold a long position on the stock specific front, but on the index specific front, no long position need to be avoided at this point of time, because in today's session we are seeing that almost 100 points gap down opening we are witnessing on the index front, and once the carry forward selling comes, then we will see Nifty to come near 24,450 to 400 mark in today's day of trading session. But if Nifty manages to hold 24,400 level in today's session on the weekly closing, then we expect again a bounce back in the Monday session. But as per current scenario in today's first half, we expect a market trend to be on the negative front. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, FMCG, oil and gas, and automobile looks positive, and IT pack look positive. Selected counter that looks positive will be delivery, LTIM, Coforge, TCS, and MXL look positive. While on the negative front, counter that looks negative and major selling has been witnessed, and fresh short position created in yesterday's session will be Nalco, National Aluminium, IRFC, Tata Elxsi looks negative. So that's it from Better Different. Thank you.
Good morning. Zomato has received a tax demand of around 800 crores in respect of non-payment of GST on delivery charges with the interest and penalty thereon from the GST Department, Maharashtra. This is for the years, for the months between 2019 and 2022. However, the company will be filing an appeal against the order. So currently, it would be negative for Zomato. That's it from me. Thank you.
Good morning. One of the IPOs will be opening today. The name of the company is International Gemological Institute. Details of the issue are as follows. Total issue of 4,225 crores consisting of fresh issue of 3.5 crore shares aggregating to rupees 1,475 crores, and offer for sale of 6.59 crore shares worth rupees 2,750 crores. Proceeds from the fresh issue will be utilized for the payment of purchase consideration for the acquisition of IGI Belgium Group and IGI Netherlands Group from the promoter and for general corporate purposes. The IPO price band is set around 397 to 417. Company's market cap post issue will be around 18,021 crores. IGI, established in 1975 in Belgium, is a leading provider of certification and accreditation services for diamonds, studded jewelry, and colored stones, operating over 30 laboratories worldwide, including locations in India, New York, and Hong Kong. The company also runs schools of gemology to educate professionals in the field. Acquired by the Blackstone Group in May 2023, IGI holds a significant market position, particularly in India, where it commands a 50% market share in certification services. The institute is ISO certified and recognized for its innovative grading systems and educational programs. Talking about the valuation, IGI holds a dominant position in lab grown diamond certification with a 65% market share, positioning it to benefit from growing consumer preference for sustainable options. The affordability of lab grown diamonds enhances their growth prospects, while natural diamond certifications expects to foresee steady growth. In India, IGI collaborates with domestic as well as international jewelry retailers for co-branded reports, which enhances their overall market presence. There are no listed comparable peers having similar business dynamics. However, IGI has delivered strong financial metrics with revenue growth of about 32% between calendar year 21 and 23, attractive operating margin profile of around 65 to 70%. Return on equity and return on capital employed stood at 56.6% and 91.5% respectively. Further, IGI has strong market position and has potential to benefit from anticipated demand in the diamond certification sector. Thus, we believe issue is valued at a reasonable valuation of 42 times to 9-month calendar year 24 annualized earnings, and hence recommending subscribe to the issue.
Yeah, apart from this, Hindustan Aeronautics has received one large order of 13,500 from Ministry of Defense. This is to supply 12 Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft along with associated equipments and all. So this will act as positive for Hindustan Aeronautics in today's trade. Yeah, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we had witnessed a major correction in gold and silver, and we might test. Gold prices are likely to test 77,700, 77,500 on downside. So wait for a pullback around 78,300 and sell with a stop loss of 78,600. In silver, one can sell around 93,800, 94,000 with a stop loss of 94,700. On downside again, major support area is at 91,500. So prices can correct and test the support area at 91,500. From where again one can initiate a buy. And in copper, prices are likely to pull back till 827, and for trading purpose one can strictly buy with a stop loss of 818. Again on downside, prices are expected to witness selling pressure from 827, so strictly sell with a stop loss of 832. Whereas zinc sell around 289 with a stop loss of 291. On downside, 285, 284 is the target where one should take profits. Whereas in crude, one can buy on dips around 59.30 with a stop loss of 58.50. On upside again, 6,000, 6,050 is the target where one should take profits. And natural gas also buying on dips around 293, 292 with a stop loss of 283. On upside, 305, 310 is the target where one should book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.